Advocate Deepika Singh Rajawat, very good evening. I'm calling from 24 News Channel and you are in the News Evening program. Deepika Singh, one point I want to make it clear, very clear, that are you very sure that Mubin Farooqi didn't appear for this Kathua case at any point of time?
No. See, good evening to everyone. Before I start answering to your questions, I want to extend my regards to everyone there in Kerala. Now, with my reply to your good self, which you asked me, even in my voice note, which was circulated, a day before, in my voice note, I have clearly mentioned few very important things related to Kathua case. One, that the 4 public prosecutors, please understand, 4 public prosecutors, 2 from Punjab and 2 from Crime Branch have done the trial. And when I say doing the trial does not mean appearance. Doing the trial means recording of statements, arguing the case, bringing the witnesses to the court, and doing everything related to the courtroom, in the case, before the court. Right? This is what the 4 public prosecutors have done. And as per the law, which is very settled, a private lawyer, unless and until he is appointed as a special public prosecutor, he cannot do criminal trial.
That means Mubin Farooqi cannot appear in this Kathua case unless he was appointed as a special public prosecutor. In this case, he was not a special public prosecutor. Am I right?
Not a special. Yes, you are right. You are right to an extent that Mubin Farooqi was not the special public prosecutor. He must have managed to get a wakalatnama from the parents. When I say wakalatnama means power of attorney.
Yeah.
Power of attorney was there on record. It was filed by him. But my point, which I have said earlier, now which I want to clear this time also, and I am firm on it, is that the trial has been conducted by 4 public prosecutors. Mubin Farooqi has not argued the case. Mubin Farooqi has not cross-examined the witnesses. Mubin Farooqi has not done anything which...
To make it very clear, let me ask you one more thing. Whether this Mubin Farooqi coordinated this entire process, and I think the power of being the capacity of the power of attorney, can he coordinate entire legal proceedings for the Kathua victim?
No, legal proceedings he cannot do. Because he cannot do legal proceedings, which is the settled law. Right?
I mean, he has no locus standi in this case.
No, he can just assist the prosecution. He can assist the prosecution. But he cannot utter a single word in the courtroom. That is the settled law.
Okay. I think it is around 9,35,000 rupees this Youth League party claims in Kerala that they have transferred this money to the account of Mubin Farooqi for conducting this trial. And in any way, even if they transfer this money will not serve the purpose. Am I right?
See, I will not comment on the money pot because I have not seen the money being transferred. I will only comment on one thing, that it is the trial. The trial has been conducted by 4 public prosecutors, which is part of the record. So, Mubin Farooqi, being a private lawyer, could only assist the prosecution. See, I was also a private lawyer. I am also a private lawyer. When I could not do the trial, how could Mubin Farooqi did it? Right? As a private lawyer, we are not supposed to speak anything in the courtroom except the public prosecutors, except the fact that we can only tell the public prosecutor, okay, you said this.
That's what I understand. Mubin Farooqi is a private lawyer assisting this prosecution. Am I right?
No, I don't even know whether he has assisted the public prosecutors. I don't know. I know only one thing, which I am firm and which I am ready to say everywhere, that this trial has been done by public prosecutors, 4 public prosecutors.
Right. One more thing, Deepika. Has this Youth League people contacted you at any point of time for conducting this trial or for getting some fund from this party in favor of this victim?
No, I have not been contacted.
You are not been contacted by this Youth League, right?
No, I have not been contacted.
And
yes.
Are you very sure that whether the victim's family received money from the Youth League?
I cannot comment on that because I have no knowledge about it.
Okay, thank you, Advocate Deepika Rajawat, for spending time with us and joining us. ആൻഡ് ഇതാണ് അഡ്വക്കേറ്റ് ദീപിക സിംഗ് രജാവത്ത് പറയുന്നത്. കത്വ കേസുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട മുഴുവൻ വിചാരണയും നടന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് പ്രോസിക്യൂട്ടർമാരുടെ സാന്നിധ്യത്തിൽ, പ്രോസിക്യൂട്ടർമാരുടെ നേതൃത്വത്തിലാണ്. 4 പബ്ലിക് പ്രോസിക്യൂട്ടർമാരാണ് ഈ കേസിന്റെ വിചാരണ നടത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിൽ മുബീൻ ഫറൂഖി എന്നയാൾ ഈ കേസിന്റെ വിചാരണ വേളയിൽ ഈ കത്വയിലെ ഇരയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി ഹാജരായിട്ടില്ല എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ് അഡ്വക്കേറ്റ് ദീപിക സിംഗ് രജാവത്ത് പറയുന്നത്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ മുസ്ലിം ലീഗ്, ഈ യൂത്ത് ലീഗ് നൽകിയ 9,35,000 രൂപ എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയാണ് ഈ മുബീൻ ഫറൂഖിക്ക് നൽകിയത് എന്ന ചോദ്യം ഇവിടെ ബാക്കിയാവുന്നു. മുബീൻ ഫറൂഖി പവർ ഓഫ് അറ്റോർണി ആയിരിക്കും, പക്ഷേ ഈ കേസിന്റെ പൂർണ്ണമായുള്ള നടത്തിപ്പ് ഈ 4 പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട പബ്ലിക് പ്രോസിക്യൂട്ടർമാരാണ് നടത്തിയത് എന്നാണ് അഡ്വക്കേറ്റ് ദീപിക സിംഗ് രജാവത്ത് പറയുന്നത്. മാത്രവുമല്ല, ദീപിക സിംഗ് രജാവത്ത് പറയുന്നത് തന്നെ ഈ വിഷയത്തിൽ യൂത്ത് ലീഗുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ഒരു നേതാവും തന്നെ സമീപിച്ചിട്ടില്ല എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ്. Deepika ma'am, once again, I'm sorry again, you need to be connected because there is an allegation against you that you yourself declared that there were so many senior lawyers attended and appeared for this case along with the prosecutors.
Can you ask me this question again, please?
These people are again accusing you that you are you have already taken a position that apart from prosecutors, senior lawyers appeared in this case. This Mubin Farooqi was one among the senior lawyers. This is their claim.
No. This is completely baseless. I have never said it. It was only 4 public prosecutors, senior public prosecutors who were appearing.
But in the judgment copy, there is a reference of this Mubin Farooqi.
Must be because his wakalatnama was on record.
Decision I took only.
His wakalatnama was on record.
Okay, that means
that's not big deal.
He had some kind of locus standi in this case.
I see. Filing wakalatnama is one thing. Please let me tell everything very clearly, which I've been telling for last 4 years. Filing wakalatnama is one thing, and conducting trial and doing trial is something different.
That means he had no role while trial is happening in the case, right?
Ask Mubin Farooqi whether he argued the case. Ask Mubin Farooqi whether he cross-examined and examined the witnesses.
There is no claim. There is no claim from Mubin Farooqi. There is no claim from Mubin Farooqi that he had argued the case. He is only the coordinator.
Mr. Subair, please let me answer. This question is for me.
Yeah.
This question is not for you, please. I'm trying to be very respectful. I'm trying to be very friendly to everyone. I don't want any controversy with regard to me there in Kerala. Right? If Mubin Farooqi has not argued the case, examined the witnesses, then what did he do there in the case?